Cherry Bean Café kabadan hakin Thailand kadono jong Nongbah Shillong kalapli kajing khang ye kibrio Nongbah ki basngotanat banmat ye kajing bam ki baphala bat bashet bang Cherry Bean Café kade kabla long try do agnish ball badya kani kadukan bam lapli pajba da ukin ubade u aktor bapau nam ke Bollywood u Rajkumar Rao uni u aktor ke Bollywood ude be songkha bat ke patra likha pol kabade nang ni na Nongbah Shillong Urau lapan pau ya kajing kemen banyak don ringkat ha kajing play kani ka cafe ke bathamai badya kajing bam jing di ki bala banyo na kani ka cafe
Serving continental food. The food in Shillong is very good any which ways. But we thought like if we have a place, police bazaar, everybody is coming here to shop and we had this space, so we thought we should convert it into a cafe so people can come, chill, eat some good food, listen to some good music. They can also work, out of here, chill, hang out with friends. So it's also like a home away from home. Also an office space, also a cafe that you can chill with your friends. So this is the vibe we are trying to create.
Shillong is my second home, but Lika is from Shillong. She was born and raised here, so I always love coming back to Shillong. Actually, I look for excuses, but now we have this beautiful cafe here. We opened this cafe and we want all the people, all the Shillong people and even the tourists to come and have this experience because it's one of its kind.